What's up, Flomies? My name is Julianna, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the Buzzsaw. The Buzzsaw is a series of drop spins, and when you're doing a drop spin, what you're doing is you're grabbing the Flowstar at the bottom, and then you're letting go on top. So if I'm doing this with my right hand, I'm going to be spinning the Flowstar counterclockwise, and to start, I'm just going to be doing a reverse vertical spin. So we're just going to do a reverse vertical spin, toss it up, and we're going to start grabbing it from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So notice that I keep my hand in contact with the Flowstar as I'm spinning it. So even when I'm not grabbing it, I'm going to let the Flowstar touch the back of my hand. So get comfortable doing that with your right hand, and then change direction and grab the Flowstar from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock with your left hand, going clockwise. When you feel like you have your left hand and your right hand down, go ahead and combine the two and bring the Flowstar out in front of you. Hunch your shoulders forward a little bit because otherwise it'll touch your chest and it'll slow it down. So hunch your shoulders forward, lean forward a little bit, and just alternate hands going from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock and letting the Flowstar touch the back of your hand, just so you know where to grab the Flowstar again when you come back up. That is how you do the Buzzsaw. If you liked today's tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Happy flowing!